Let's play, discover, sister and brother. Mom, Dad, the high camp. You play and discover.
What's up, Play and Discover kids? Today we're going to read Teenage Mutant Turtles Save the Pearl. One stormy night, the Natural History Museum began to flood. Mutants called the East River 3 rose from the water. Goldfin, Lee, and Mustang Sally wanted the Jersey Bright Pearl. Goldfin took the pearl. Lee, a giant eel, said, "I forgot how beautiful it is." Sally and Lee thought they would return the pearl to the East River, but Goldfin had a secret plan. He was going to sell it to a criminal named Bad Bernie. Raph and Donnie were in the sewers with the other mutants. They were chasing the East River 3. Instead, they found a bomb. If it blew up, the city could flood. Donnie thought the bomb was just a distraction from the robbery. "You two go after the river mutants," Wingnut said. She and the other mutant animals tried to defuse the bomb. Donnie and Raph raced to the Natural History Museum. Leo, Mikey, Pigeon Pete, and Genghis Frog were already there. The East River 3 tried to sneak away with the big pearl. The turtles jumped into action. Mikey took the pearl, then Sally grabbed it back. Sally threw the pearl to Lee, who unleashed an electric blast from her tail. The turtles were shocked. Goldfin hurled his fin blades, then he ran away with the pearl. The blades hit a column, cracking it. Pieces of the museum fell on Lee. Sally rushed to protect her. Goldfin escaped with the pearl. Now the mutants must all work together. The mutant animals helped Sally and Lee. The turtles chased Goldfin. Goldfin brought the pearl to Bad Bernie on his boat. Suddenly, rats swarmed the deck. The rats were guided by Splinter. He and April O'Neil wanted the pearl back. The turtles arrived with the mutant animals. "You lied to us," Lee said to Goldfin. "You betrayed us." Goldfin said he could buy new friends and tried to escape. Just then, Ray Fillet appeared. He had a bomb from the sewers. Leo took the bomb. Sally and Lee gave him and the other turtles a ride. Leo threw the bomb onto the boat and sank it. Goldfin was stopped. Bad Bernie and Goldfin escaped. The pearl was returned to its underwater world. Mutant power and friendship won the day. The end. Thank you for reading with us, Playing Discover Kids. See you next time.
Let's play, discover, sister and brother. Mom, Dad.